we're going to show replacement of the drop doors on the EuroBin 1210 980 height. The bin has two doors, one on the short side, one on the long side. The two doors are identical in size and are actually interchangeable. In this case, I'll replace this door. The tools we're going to use are small and medium sized lever and the mallet, and the component parts are the door itself and the hinge pins. To remove the pins, take the small lever to the end, lever the pin out from its first location, and then pull it clear . Lifting the door clear and fitting the new one. The EuroBin 1210 also has a safety feature on the door. You can see here with the pins removed, the door doesn't actually drop, and that's to do with this location here, which will hold it in place at the lower angle. And to refit, the hinge pins are slid back into position. And then make sure they're fully engaged. And the door's refitted.